widowed home, take the road that sets it to the sun, waiting for my skin and bone to return and see what I've become. Summer has not yet been here, though my days are long. Take me back to when the night was young and another song was sung. What of all those pretty tales, the ones that took me to this door? Is there comfort in the siren's wail, a comfort upon this wooden floor? Tell you, is it a failure to forget the ones you once held dear? But I try to remember, but my mind is no longer clear. I made no sound, no sound. I wondered till my brittle bone had succumbed and pulled me to the stone. Further from the towns you've known, I remain from where I had begun. Stumbled before I started, I was kicking over stones as a child. The meadow when the storm came through, and I burrowed straight back to you. Oh, you recognize me, I've fallen far from the tree. The roots came up toward my knee, they twisted round. I made no sound, no sound. Would you ever doubt my love when my day is done? I lay down my body within this earth I've won. Would you try to follow the roads I had to walk? There's a whisper in the willow, from there you'll hear me talk.